Hi, my name is Missy Gable. I'm the director of the UC Master Gardener program. And while fall is the time for pumpkin spice, it's also time to get out into the landscape for some important fall gardening activities. Today we're going to talk about mulch. Mulch provides an important protective layer for your soil. So when temperatures go up, mulch can decrease water that evaporates off from your soil. When temperatures go down, mulch provides a protective layer that keeps the temperature in the soil from dropping quite so drastically as it does in the ambient air. Mulch can also help prevent soil erosion when winter rains come. All right, you're gonna want a good 3 to 4 inches of a fine to medium shred bark mulch. When you're out in the landscape, either applying mulch or maybe you're checking the depth of the mulch that you have, an important tip is that you wanna make sure that the mulch isn't right up against the base of your plant. So take a little gardening fork or use your hands to pull the mulch away from the base of the plant. This can reduce the crown of the plant being exposed to too much moisture, which can cause disease issues. For more information on what you should be doing in your landscape this fall, contact your local UC Master Gardener program. You can find us online at mg.ucanr.edu.